When we were told we were being renovated, of course we were very excited. So we spent the last year at the transition school. As the renovation went forward and we were able to see the changes that were happening at Dr. Brown Elementary School, we were very pleased and even more excited to return.
Before the school was newly renovated, it kind of was like a maze. It was crowded. But now we have signs that say like what grade you're in and where all the rooms are at. I like having my own wing because in third grade it's fun and we do a lot of math.
There are walls now. There were like fake short walls at the old school. You could hear other classes everywhere.
It's actually much more easier to learn because I can just hear my teacher and everyone else in the classroom.
And then there's like doors. We didn't have doors at the old school. And there are a lot closer bathrooms, which is very helpful. The water fountain has like this little water bottle, like where you could put your water bottle at. I like how they tell you like which side of the hallways you go on.
I get confused when I don't know where I'm at. It's so huge.
This is my first year here and I really like it. Colors are very beautiful.
The students are comfortable in their environment. It's warm and it's welcoming. Even in places like our gymnasium, when you walk in there, it's like a burst of energy. It's a very vibrant, alive place now. And a lot of learning is beginning to happen here at Dr. Brown Elementary.
I think they deserve an A on everything, A+.
Give it an A, honestly, because I can't hear anybody except for my classroom, which is actually amazing.
A++++. It deserves a lot of pluses because it's kind of more functional. You guys should check it out.